Welcome to Beautyistic, where comfort meets function in the world of beauty tools. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your salon experience even more enjoyable. Let's talk about the BestOffice Portable Salon Chair with Auto Tilt Seat Back, designed for both professionals and home users alike. This salon chair has quickly gained attention for its promise of comfort, durability, and ease of use. But how does it really perform when put to the test? Let's find out. First off, let's take a look at the product. This salon chair is designed with a focus on comfort and practicality. It features a reclining backrest that you can adjust to your liking, making it suitable for a variety of beauty treatments such as hairdressing, shampooing, or even just sitting back to relax. The chair is upholstered in PU leather, which is not only sleek but also waterproof and oil-proof, ensuring easy cleanup after messy sessions. The heavy-duty frame of the chair promises long-lasting durability, and the high-density sponge padding offers excellent support, making it ideal for long hours of sitting. The armrests are soft, adding an extra layer of comfort to the overall experience. In terms of usability, the chair is relatively straightforward to assemble. The package includes all the necessary accessories, and the detailed manual ensures that putting it together is a hassle-free experience. If you're new to assembling furniture like this, the step-by-step instructions are clear enough to follow, which is always a bonus. When I tested the chair, I found the reclining feature especially convenient, especially when moving between different tasks. Whether you're leaning back to shampoo or sitting upright for a haircut, the ability to adjust the angle adds a level of customization that's essential in any professional setting. But no product is perfect. While the design is sleek and functional, I did notice that the chair's cushion could feel a bit firm for those who prefer a softer feel. However, if you're using this chair for professional purposes, the firmer cushion might actually be a benefit since it provides support for long hours. Another thing to consider is the size of the chair. It's on the larger side, which could be an issue if you're working in a smaller space. Now let's talk about the value. At its price point, this salon chair offers excellent durability and comfort. The quality of the materials is impressive, and it's clear that the manufacturer has put thought into the overall design and functionality. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are other salon chairs available that offer similar features at a lower cost, but perhaps without the same level of sturdiness or customization. Comparing this to other salon chairs on the market, the BestOffice chair holds its own in terms of quality, but it stands out with its ease of assembly and adjustability. While some salon chairs can be complicated to assemble or difficult to adjust, this one strikes a good balance between comfort, performance, and user-friendliness. As for build quality, the materials used in this chair are top-notch. The frame is sturdy and made to last, and the cushion, although firm, doesn't lose its shape over time. After several weeks of use, the chair maintained its appearance, and the PU leather remained resistant to spills and stains, which is a significant plus for busy beauty professionals. In terms of customer support, the company offers responsive service, and I've found that they are quick to address any concerns or issues that arise. While I didn't personally need to reach out to them, I've heard positive feedback about their customer service, so that's always reassuring. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are alternatives available. Some brands offer similar features, such as adjustable reclining or high-density cushions, but they might cut corners on build quality or comfort. If you're willing to invest a bit more, though, this chair is definitely a solid choice for those who need a high-quality, durable, and comfortable salon chair. To sum it up, the BestOffice Portable Salon Chair with Auto Tilt Seat Back is a strong contender for anyone in the market for a reliable, comfortable, and easy-to-use salon chair. Its durable construction, ease of assembly, and adjustability make it ideal for both professionals and home beauty enthusiasts who want to step up their salon game. The firm cushion and larger size may not be for everyone, but overall, it delivers on its promises. If you've used this chair, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think of it. If you're interested, check out the link to purchase in the description box. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.